guys, today I'm going to make an origami dragon. It's very simple and easy to make. So let's start. So for this origami model, you'll need a sheet of square paper. So first, take your paper and fold it in half diagonally like this. Then open it back up and do the same on the other side. Okay. Now take this top corner and fold it to the center. And then take this edge and this edge and fold them to the center. Please. Same for the other side. And make sure these edges are lined up with these edges. And then fold this full down and make sure this center crease and this center crease lines up. And there should be two squares on this side and this side. Then fold this up like this and turn it and take a small part and fold it down like this and then cover it like this. Now take it like this, fold it again, and next what you need to do is fold it in half and then make sure everything, all the designs and all, they are in the center and the plain side is on the outside, and make like wings of these are like the wings of the dragon, and do the same on the other side. And line these both up. And then open it back up and fold this from this edge in half like this. And then open it back up. You should have a crease running through here, and do the same on the other side. See, we have a crease from here and over here. And then again fold it in half like this, and then fold these two down, and it should look like this. Now you're almost done. We just need one more thing. We need to fold it like this, from this corner to this corner over here. And do the same on the other side like this. Line these both up and then open it back up, and you are done. Hey guys, hope the model was easy and you enjoyed it. Please try it, and if you are stuck at any step, do let me know in the comments. Also tell me which origami model, the cicada or the Pikachu, you'd want me to try next. Bye!